Hi everyone, my name is Rishalin Pillay and welcome to my course Securing Windows Server 2019. I am a security practice lead and offensive security author. With the wide range of advanced attackers out there today, it's absolutely impossible to run any server environment without security. In this course, we will work specifically with Windows Server 2019 and its security capabilities. Since Windows Server 2019 has a vast array of security features, I will show you how to secure it using a mix of the graphical interface and PowerShell. Some of the major topics that we will cover include Windows Server 2019 built-in security features, protecting credentials, protecting against malware, and deploying a Microsoft security baseline. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation on securing Windows Server 2019. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to secure Windows Server with the Securing Windows Server 2019 course at Pluralsight.